year, Siobhán M. Dennehy. Siobhán. Siobhán was born in Dublin to Bob Green from Newbeg, County Clare, and Sheila Hughes from Aide in County Kildare. Siobhán was educated at Sion Hill, Blackrock, County Dublin, and Trinity College in New York. She came to New York on a J1 visa, and believe me, New York's gain was Ireland's loss. In 2002, Siobhán Dennehy joined the Emerald Isle Immigration Centre, and in less than a year, she was promoted to the position of Executive Director, a position that she holds today. Under her leadership, the Emerald Isle Immigration Centre has grown tremendously. The centre now has 2 attorneys, 7 immigration counsellor staff, and a social worker. The centre also provides mental health counselling in the area of depression and alcohol and drug abuse, providing daily meals on wheels program and ESL classes. The centre sees clients from a broad spectrum of nationalities and has added to its staff Spanish-speaking personnel to support the Spanish-speaking clients who seek help. Would you please welcome our Aide at Large, Siobhán M. Dennehy.